My shit done? Yeah, let's go. Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm out here on my way for another day of work. So, stock market did some pretty crazy things on July 3rd. I wish I would have documented some stuff, but from messages that I've seen and other stuff that I've seen, apparently that's a very good opportunistic day to get into certain ETFs and whatnot, because they are at a very low price and a very good time to get into. So I didn't have a lot of freed up money, and I didn't understand that the market was going to close at 1 o'clock. So I was selling out of AMD and buying into Jnug. So I didn't really get to purchase as many shares of Jnug as I would wanted to, but I believed it had dipped down today below that point. Anyways, let's take a look at this real quick. And actually first, let's take a look at something else real quick. Let's jump right into this. Alright, so this is the first time I actually look at my market for the last couple hours. Last time I actually looked at it, I was on this downfall here, and I was like, whatever, we'll see where the end of the day goes, because I can't really make too many more decisions as today goes as it is anyways. So let's see what I am currently holding. So Dcth, I took the risk of buying back in there today. I see that it has taken a dramatic drop, and it doesn't look like it has the life it did, starting 2 weeks ago. So it's obviously something that's going to start phasing out. You could play quick plays during the day with it, but I wouldn't recommend something to hold overnight, because that's probably going to drop drastically, even though I am going to be holding this overnight because I have no other choice but to. But I'm only holding 88 shares, which is about $16, so I didn't put too much up to risk. GoPro, I bought more shares of it as it went down. I've got a pretty good average on GoPro now. I believe it's about 809. Yeah, so I'm down $1.18. It's not too bad. It's got earnings coming up on the 20th along with AMD, so I'm pretty sure coming into the earnings it's gonna be looking really good. I'm not saying I'm gonna hold it potentially all the way up to earnings. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see where this one maxes out at, and I'll probably jump ship on there and find some other stocks to play around with, because I need to regain my money. And SEDX looks pretty nice right now. So SEDX flopped around a little bit during the day, right? I bought one share in at $3.58. So it wasn't too bad of an entry point. I didn't have too much more cash to put down on this one. Jnug, I have 10 shares of Jnug now at $17. Majority of the day it did not break $17, except for early this morning. But I don't think I was watching the market at that time. I had gotten off. I was up, early morning, and I looked into the market, whatnot, did some research on some stuff, and yeah, so Jnug's looking pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna let Jnug go until $20. I'm gonna be dead set on $20. I'm just not. I'm gonna change my trading pattern until I get my PDTs back. I'm gonna test a couple of different things out, see what's gonna work out the best. I can't take too much of a big risk, but with these kind of ETFs, they do fluctuate around enough. So probably if I wait long enough, it'll go up to $20. Yes, I'm missing out other opportunities of making money, but I am kind of lowering my risk of losing my money, period. But anyways, that's a little complex to get into at the moment. AMD is looking pretty good. I believe AMD is going to get up to about $15 coming up to the earnings. Is it going to break that point? I would like it to. I see AMD as a pretty big processing company. They got microchips, they got GPUs, a lot of the things that cryptocurrency people are using, something I'm actually getting big into. And if you go and check out my website, gearspot26.com, I actually added cryptocurrencies. So you are able to pay with cryptocurrencies on there. I mean, you can shoot me a message and we'll talk out if you don't see your cryptocurrency on there. I actually put tickers from CoinGecko on there, so there's live compared to the United States dollar. So if there's anything else on there that you would like to see, just shoot me a message and we'll talk. But so continue along. AMD, I'm pretty sure AMD is going to pull out of this. It's actually the cheapest one out of the other within its class. You know, the rest of them are up in the hundreds of dollars, and AMD's sitting here struggling to make it to $20. So I did sell a couple of shares today to be able to distribute my money a little more. That was about it. You know, those are my decisions for the day. I wasn't one big shocker. MSDI. MSDI is a stock that I was watching from the beginning. You know, it's kind of like a GoPro, and a lot of people say, don't compare stocks because blah, 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 blah. What? It didn't pop up. Did I spell it wrong? MSDI. Hey, I spelled the same exact way. Glitch. Anyways, let's take a look at this, right? So currently, today, it was up $2.34. Today's high being $2.35. Now let's take a look at this a month back ago. A month ago, this stock was mingling between 50 cents and 49 cents. It was in the 40s. I know I was buying it. I know I lost a little money on this one also. And look at that. If I would have just held it all throughout this time, I know it's a long time, but today it would have been up 215%. So is that worth it? It might be worth it. I gotta sit down and run some numbers and see if it's more profitable to be a day trader or if it's more profitable to be a long-term holder. I don't know. You know, we're still pretty new at this, but we're gonna keep this moving along. And I'm almost getting my ass to work, so I gotta get off of here, you guys, so I can get this up for you guys. And let's see what we get going on. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's keep this moving along. And hopefully everybody's having a great green day. Happy 4th of July.
Give you guarantee, 'cause when you find your love, your life will see. We can do a lot. No one's gonna give you promising, 'cause when you're out in love, your love will feel. Yeah, your heart can be hard. Wait, take this fine. I'll be yours and you'll be mine until the end of time. Wait a while, take this fine. I'll be yours and you'll be mine until the end of